Alternative formats for this presentation can be found on the Financial Services website. Visit the Financial Services training page. Email us at finance.training@queensu.ca or give us a call at 613-533-2050. What feeds into Finance PeopleSoft? The objective of this module is to bring an awareness of the types of transactions that feed into Finance PeopleSoft and post to the general ledger that may or may not be initiated by a physical document prepared by you, and to know who to ask when you have an inquiry. Ever wonder, how did that expense or revenue post to my account without me initiating the transaction? Or, I don't recall initiating the transaction. A transaction source. Not all charges, deposits, and/or internal allocations will be processed by check requisitions, deposit transmittal forms, and/or regular journal entries. What feeds into Finance PeopleSoft? Many business units at Queen's provide goods and services to the university community. For example, ancillary operations such as residences and housing, hospitality and conference services, parking, or a central service department like physical plant services, an operating unit, or a research unit. There are many internal interfaces that will eventually result in expenses and revenues being posted to the Queen's GL by way of Finance PeopleSoft. Here are some examples and the most common inquiries of what feeds into Finance PeopleSoft. Accounts payable vouchers, donations by way of the advancement office, copier leases, courier and shipping charges, deposits, expense reimbursement system transactions, telephone and long-distance fax charges processed by IT services, journal entries, payroll by way of HR PeopleSoft system, P-card or procurement transactions, physical plant services, postal services, printing services, research overhead, and student solace PeopleSoft. Eventually will all make their way to Queen's University financial reporting. Where to begin? Always ask yourself, did I submit an online order form? Did I order by way of telephone, email, or fax? Oftentimes, asking these questions will remind you of the transaction source. For example, PrintSys is a Queen's online order system where your department can order items such as letterhead, envelopes, or business cards. The process will begin with the user logging into the Queen's printing online ordering system called PrintSys. The user would complete and submit an online order form. The Printing Services Administrator approves and submits the online order to the supplier. The requester, that's you, receives an email detailing the order and the price. That's your paperwork. Supplier fills the order and ships the goods to requester's location. Supplier sends monthly electronic file detailing all Queen's orders and an invoice. The Procurement Service Office will receive an electronic file, uploads and posts the file to the GL by way of PeopleSoft, and the invoice is processed for payment by way of Financial Services Accounts Payable. The net cost, including any HST rebate, will be posted to your departmental chart field string. Here's another example. Looking at this example, a UPS courier cost appears charged to your account 608002. If the UPS tracking number appearing in the line description field is not one that you can identify as belonging to you, or the amount is not what you expected to see, contact the person whose name appears in the user ID field. If the user ID is not a person's name, contact Financial Services. The first level support contact will review the charge and, if necessary, refer you to the next level support contact who can assist. In other cases, such as the department's monthly photocopier lease payment would not require a supporting document each time a payment is processed. In this case, you would ensure you have a copy of the original lease agreement on file, know the start date, the monthly lease amount, and the lease expiry date. This information will enable you to perform your monthly reconciliation with confidence. Remember, if an entry appears on your financial statement that you did not initiate, or one where the amount is not what you expected to see, contact the person whose name appears in the user ID field. If the user ID field is not a person's name, contact Financial Services. How may we help you today? Give us a call at 613-533-2050. Email us at finance@queensu.ca. Be sure to visit the Financial Services website. We are located at 207 Stewart Street, 3rd floor, Rideau Building. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday. We are open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. To learn more or to review additional training resources and video tutorials, visit the Financial Services training page.